Well, we're just gonna let this drain. Oops. Hold on. Oh, no, because now I went too far. God damn it. This funnel's like just barely too small. God damn it. It's spilling out no number my pliers. Well, we'll see you guys soon.
So, we've got the fuel tank bottom draining at the fuel line.
Yeah, it's still draining.
Because we're trying to make the least amount of mess we possibly can.
Yeah, we already kind of filled with that.
Yeah, exactly.
But everything's out of the trunk.
Yep.
There was a bunch of stuff in the trunk. It's probably not going to want to come loose, so.
Well, so far the upper one did.
No, I mean the hose.
Let's hope, because we can take the top part off, which is a couple of 5/16 bolts that holds the neck in place.
That's more like trouble.
So we'll pull this out first.
Don't die.
We'll pull this out first, leave it in the car. That's where we can pull it out of the rubber. And then when you're ready to pull the tank.
I know we got a new one, so.
Yeah. When you're ready to pull the tank, this will help stop anything that might still be stuck in the tank, which we know there's going to be a lot.
Yeah.
And it'll be straight up and out, and then we'll cap the line.
Is this the original tank?
I think so. Yeah. So I mean, this car is all original. I mean, I really love this car. It's super nice. Body's not real bad. I mean, it's got its shopping cart dings and dents, but what car doesn't? But you don't see these anymore.
No.
You just don't.
Well, you don't see a Shelby one either.
Exactly, which makes it even better. So, all right. Well, let me get these off, and then we'll be able to pull.
That's like the 8th time you.
Yeah. We'll pull the neck out, leave the tube on for the moment.
Goddamn.
That's still draining. But then we'll be able to put a light down the side to see how much longer we think it's going to drain. Because we got to dispose of the fuel. But yeah, give us just a couple more minutes or so and we'll probably have another video for you.
I'm not shaking. I'm being attacked by a gnat. Anyways, later, guys.